This is the Cramaro Tarp All tarping system, available at Midco Sales. The Tarp All is an easy, quick, and safe way for tarping flatbed loads. Cramaro produces the Tarp All in a variety of sizes, so it can be installed on several types of vehicles, including flatbed and tilt deck trailers, tow trucks, and delivery trucks. This model is installed on a Jerr-Dan rollback tow body. The heavy-duty vinyl material is engineered with leak-free construction to be weather-tight, and it is customizable with colors and graphics. Operating the Tarp All is a one-person job. The driver simply releases the rear flap cams, rolls up the flap, releases the tension, pushes the system forward, and locks it into place. The aluminum trolleys roll effortlessly along the heavy-duty tracks. The C-channel design keeps these tracks free of debris and maintenance-free. The Cramaro Tarp All allows the truck to be loaded like a flatbed, but provides the protection of an enclosed truck. To cover the load, the driver just reverses the process, adjusts the tension, and closes the rear flap. It only takes a couple minutes to completely uncover and cover. The time saved by not having to tarp by hand will more than pay for this system during its lifetime. Midco Sales is a Cramaro dealer, promoting their entire line of tarp products, including the Tarp All system, as well as tarps for belly dump and end dump trailers. Contact our office to learn more about any of the Cramaro products we offer.